Alright, hi everybody. Today we are going to replace the windshield washer pump in a 2009 CLK 350. This is the part right here. Bought them on Amazon. Oddly enough, aftermarket, non-OEM parts about $8. I didn't know they made $8 parts for Benzes. If you want to go factory, I think they're about $25. So the first step obviously is to jack the car up, put it on a safety stand. We're going to be taking off this access panel here in a little bit to get at it. But first, might as well drain the windshield washer fluid out of the washer container. Obviously I tried to fill it up thinking that it was empty when I think hopefully it's the pump that's bad, because there's no fuses in the system, which I discovered. It's triggered off a control module. Hopefully that isn't bad. There's one of the three things that can fail: the control module, the pump itself, or the stock on the steering wheel. That and the control module are super expensive and a pain. This seems to be the most common failure. So what we're going to do is take this filler pipe off. I'm going to leak a little bit out of it, but it allows me to get a fluid transfer pump. If you don't have one of these and you want to, you can just put a pan underneath it, and when we're pulling the pump out, it'll just dump the fluid all over the place. But this is a little bit cleaner and neater way to go, so I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so we got most of the fluid out. We're going to still a little bit back in the tank. So next thing we're going to do is take off this access panel right here. Looks pretty straightforward. I guess we'll find out. Is there some 10mm bolts? Which is kind of neat that there's bolts rather than those body panel clips that I always seem to break those when I take them off. Of course, there's plenty of time to break stuff out. Let's see. Well, we've got one right there. I'll pause and go get another tool. Back with some implements of destruction. Looks like there's a couple things holding us up underneath. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Looks like there's two more of these clips we got to pull out. Spoke too soon about the wonderful use of bolts. One more to go. Alrighty. And there it is. So, pump right here. go. This comes out. Let me get a little container and capture the rest of this. There, we're going to capture the rest of this. Figure out how the pump comes out of here. Well, that's pretty straightforward. It just pulls right out. You get this connector off. Easy peasy. Now this kit came with a grommet, a new one. Which pulls right out of the bottom of the tank. It looks like it's okay, but we got a new one and took about 4 seconds to get the old one out, so let's just put the new one in. Dirt and crap that's stuck in there. There it goes. Had to collapse it a little bit. Take our fancy new pump that looks awful like the old one. There again, there's just power cable goes here. There's only one way that it can go on. This is rounded on one end, as is the clip. Clicks in place. Press it into the grommet hole. Hook up the line to it. We just replaced it. I'm going to test her out here shortly, and hopefully we're successful. Now, for the moment of truth. Yay! $7.50. And really it took me longer to find the tools than it did to do the repair. End of the video. That's how it's done, boys and girls. Pretty simple.